Hey guys, welcome to this video and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be making high protein pancakes without any protein powder. It only takes 3 ingredients, so let's jump right into the recipe. So the macros for this whole recipe, 10 pancakes, is 726 calories at 65 protein, 67 carbs, and only 15 grams of fat. You can also make a lighter version of this recipe with less calories. That clocks in at about 375 calories with 32 grams of protein, 36 grams of carbs, and 8 grams of fat. So now let's do a quick taste test for this recipe. You can use whatever toppings you like. I've already added the toppings from the berries into the macros, so you don't have to worry about that. Feel free to add peanut butter, sugar-free syrup, whatever it is. Just make sure you map it into your macros. So this is what the texture looks like. Perfect. So guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. Few quick announcements. If you're in Australia, make sure you join the Calorie Counting Australia group. There's tons of people from Australia trying to lose weight or to gain weight and count calories effectively. There's tons of recipes, grocery hacks, things to buy when you're on a deficit, so make sure you check it out. Send me a request and I'll add you in. All the information there is free. Like and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you give a thumbs up for this video if you liked it, so that I can keep creating more videos like this. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already at 𝗣𝗥𝗢𝗘𝗥. There's a link down in the description as well. That's it for this video guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next video.